Give your customers the DYNO SHINE experience, an end-to-end comprehensive service. Vehicles receive premium Stek detailing, PPF, and coating treatment perfect for the high-end vehicle owners. Step 1. Detail the vehicles with Stek's car care products. Pre-wash the vehicle to remove any stubborn contaminants. Shampoo bath to thoroughly remove any dirt and grime. Paint cleanse to prep the vehicle's paint. Use OG to remove any residual oil and grease. Next, apply DYNOshield with our highest gloss PPF for that enhanced shine. Our latest DYNOshield enhances the original paint of the vehicle, giving it extra gloss rather than masking it with the PPF. Use any of our other Dyno color or pattern PPFs for a similar result. Last step, finish off with our Formula Quartz coating and maintain regularly with our PPF compound kit. Results? An immaculate high gloss finish that you can't experience with any other film. Try the DYNO SHINE experience today.